Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to devices setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experience. Today, we're stepping into the world of home security with a comprehensive guide on setting up your CINNADO D1 2K security camera. Whether you're a first-time user or upgrading your home security system, this video will walk you through every step to get your camera up and running smoothly. From unboxing to final installation, we've got you covered to ensure your home stays safe and secure with crystal clear 2K video quality. Let's dive in. Unboxing this CINNADO D1 2K security camera reveals a sleek and compact device, designed for easy installation and powerful home security. Inside, you'll find the camera, mounting accessories, and a quick start guide to get you up and running in no time. To begin the installation of your CINNADO D1, start by downloading the Wansview Cloud app, available on both the Google Play Store for Android devices and the Apple App Store for iOS devices. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one within the app. After signing in, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your camera and complete the setup process. After signing in to the Wansview Cloud app, the next step is to connect your CINNADO D1 2K security camera to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure that your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you intend to use for the camera. Once connected, simply follow the app's prompts to add your camera to the device list, allowing it to sync with your network for seamless monitoring. Adjusting the camera settings is crucial for optimizing the performance of your CINNADO D1 2K security camera to suit your specific needs. Within the Wansview Cloud app, navigate to the Camera Settings menu, where you'll find a range of options to customize. You can adjust the video resolution to either maximize image quality or conserve bandwidth, set up motion detection sensitivity to avoid false alarms, configure the recording schedule to capture footage during specific times, and enable or disable notifications for real-time alerts. These settings allow you to tailor the camera's functionality, ensuring that it effectively monitors your space while fitting seamlessly into your daily routine. Lastly, position and mount the CINNADO D1 2K camera in your desired location, using the included mounting hardware.